It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're just leaving the house to go for a bit of a walk. So let's go. Okay, we found this Chinese temple. Just take a look at how elaborate all this is. Wow. Oh, yin and yang. Wow. And the walls, all the art. Wow. What are these people up here?
I don't know. I'm not Buddhist.
Buddhists?
I'm not a Buddhist. I don't know.
Oh, is this a Buddhist temple?
I guess so.
Oh. Wow.
Look at the ceiling.
Look at outside as well. Here's some names.
I think of people who give donations.
So this is where you can come and burn things. Wow. Huh. Incredible. Yay! See how happy it is? See how happy Buddhists are? They're very happy. So these are the lucky Chinese fish.
Arowanas.
Arowanas. I smoked that once.
Dragon fish.
So these are very lucky fish in Chinese.
They will give you lucky numbers.
And look, apparently here they give you a lucky number. Should we push the button and find out?
Okay.
Oh, here we go. 6105. So, I wonder what 6105 is.
No, so you buy lottery numbers.
Ah, okay. So I need to buy a lottery number of 6105. What the hell is that thing? Is that even real? Looks like a snake's head. Wow, it's crazy. Hey, you push the lucky number. Go on, Bernice. Let's see what your lucky number is. Oh. Yay! 2127. 21 years old, 27 years old. Wow! It knew! Oh, here's another fish tank. Oh, here's some baby marijuanas. And over here, holy, this is the mother of all marijuanas.
Not marijuanas.
Arowanas. And look at these goldfish.
No, these are parrotfish.
Parrotfish. Oh, wow. Crazy.
Here he comes.
Hey, buddy. Your mouth's funny.
They eat live food. We feed them like frogs.
Oh, poor frogs. So here's we think they're having a festival. And all these are to be burnt, are they?
Yeah.
Are they full of like gunpowder or something?
No, they are shaped in they are folded into the shape of like a gold ingot.
Oh. To go up to their relatives. Oh, a cat. Hey, pussy. Hey. Are you a minx or just detailed? Detailed. Hey, pussy. Rightio, let's go. Over this way.
No,
Where?
nursery.
Oh, the nursery, okay. Okay. So, here's a nursery. Bernice is looking for a plant for
Oh, this
near her window. Those fern ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're nice. Or just a golden cane palm like these here. They're good, they're pretty hardy too. But you want one like this. This is the sort you want, isn't it? Like a...
No,
What's the one you wanted? A
Monstera.
Monstera.
I want it higher because it's next to the sofa.
Oh yeah, you can stick a stick in it and it'll probably grow. Apparently. Greg the gardener would know that. Greg the gardener's been out of the game for a while. Bernice's favourite plant. Oh, the fairy ones. Succulents. Whew, man, it is hot in here.
So many.
Holy cow. Sweating like
Pussy
crazy.
willows.
Pussy willow. Oh. The Russians. $68 for one of those. Bloody hell. I can steal one for cheaper than that. You can buy one for like 15 bucks at home. So plants are very expensive here.
The orchid one.
Because if you can afford to have land, you can afford to pay $85 for this. Jesus Christ. I think we just go to a jungle and with a pair of secateurs and do some horticulture. What do you reckon? National flower of Singapore. And the different
National
colours.
flower was that one.
This one here.
The purple one. This one.
Nice, huh?
This looks like yours.
Here we are at the prawning centre. So you come fishing for prawns. Oh, you got one? And then you keep them. It costs $36 for 3 hours of fishing. So you probably want to catch a couple of kilos worth to make it worth your while. And then when you catch them, you put them in these little containers to keep them fresh. And then you just take them home.
You can barbecue them at the back.
I think this guy's caught a few. Yep, so he's caught some. And then you can barbecue them out the back there. Nice fresh prawns for lunch or dinner. Oh, wow. Freshly cooked. Well, we were just in Popeyes doing tomorrow's Fast Food Friday food review, Tom. I was sweating so bad, man. It was so hot. Happy hour. Oh, what's that? Heineken pint. 2 pints for 13 plus plus, which means about 15 or 16. Plus plus is the tax.
10 + 7.
2 pints for 13. Oh, mate. Wouldn't I love a Heineken right now?
This is pretty cheap.
There we go. Look at this. Buy 3, get 1 free. $40 for 4 pints of, what is it?
Guinness.
Guinness. Oh, good. You'd have to pay me $40 to drink that soup.
This is a bottle price.
Oh. As you can see, the price of alcohol here is pretty expensive. We are going to the Hong Kong cafe now. Hopefully they've got air conditioning inside. Bernice wants a drink of tea. Air conditioning?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Yes. Hong Kong cafe. Alrighty, Bernice has got her tea. She's going to do a review on it. Bernice?
Yep.
Let's go. You're supposed to drink it. What's it taste like? Milk tea. You're good at reviews.
No, you should do it because you haven't tried it before.
Oh yeah, okay. Let's go. Tastes like cold tea. It's refreshing though.
On a hot day.
Does it taste like that ice cream we had yesterday?
No.
No, that tastes like the dentist.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
It did.
No. Thai milk tea has spices.
There we go. What tea is this one? Hong Kong milk tea.
Yeah.
So this is unspiced.
No.
This tastes like tea with milk.
Yeah.
It tastes like pure milk though. It doesn't taste like water. That's what it tastes like because it's very thick and creamy.
They usually use condensed milk or evaporated milk.
Ah, yeah. Not bad. You see, that's how you do it. We are on the bikes we hate again. Just can't leave them alone. And we are riding somewhere along the riverside. I got Bernice behind me. Wave. So let's just go somewhere. It's about 10 past 6 at night and the sun's still up. Oh, look. God, I hope they sell beer at these places. They might, you know. Looks like they're building something there. And look at the beautiful views. That'll be great. Oh. Riding with one hand. Very dangerous, kids. Whatever you do, don't do it at home. Always use two hands when riding. Unless you're filming it, of course. How good's this GoPro? How steady is it? It's pretty good. The picture quality is great too. Thanks for all the feedback. Nice. Oh, maybe they're doing this. This is what they're building. I hope not. Because I was really hoping it'd be a bar. There you go. That's what Singapore would have looked like in the old days. Just jungle. And that would have only been 50 years ago too. It's a relatively new place, Singapore. Yeah. Alrighty, we've turned back because I want to go and shoot some hoops with my new basketball. So we're just going along the road here. Ah, so nice here, isn't it? It'd be good if it wasn't so hot all the time. If it had like a Brisbane winter of like 20 degrees Celsius maximums. But hey, you can complain all you want. It's an eternal summer. I do love the heat myself. Bernice likes these new bikes with the funky wheels and
because the seat is lower.
on the seats lower. So we're swapping bikes for Bernice. That is a cool looking bike, I tell you. Better than this piece of junk. Yeah, the tyres are slash proof as well. Oh, hang on. Are they those ones that are... Oh no. Anyway, let's keep going.
Do you want to go for a walk? Let's go. Come on. Get up. Let's go. Let's go.
Fellas, I've become an expert. It's dinner time and we've come to our favourite coffee shop. Well, it's not our favourite one, it's just the closest. Well, it's sort of closest.
Not very close.
Not really close. It's a nice walk. But today we're sharing rice with the omelette. We got the potatoes and that's the chicken.
No.
Oh.
It's sweet and sour pork.
Oh, sweet and sour pork, yum! And heaps of rice. And that's dinner tonight. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, it's not goodbye quite yet. Just came in to see if there's any beers on special and to get some air conditioning. Oh, this anchor's strong.
How strong?
Too strong for me. Okay, I haven't got my glasses, I wouldn't know. I can't see shit without my glasses on.
7.2.
Oi, ay, 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 caramba, 7.2. That's about how many inches I'm packing. I wish. What? They sell frozen frog legs. OMG. That's dinner tomorrow night. We'll see you then. So what's that called?
Ice cream bread.
Ice cream bread. Oh, gee, that's original. And it's a sweet bread with ice cream on it. Let's try some. Oh, bread piece. How much for that?
120.
Good baby. Oh man, I'm sure this video will end soon. Butter crackers. But we came to get some of these sultana biscuits. These are look the same as the, I think Arnott's makes them, or someone does at home. This is the Asian version. So I'm gonna buy some for breakfast. Not very healthy. While we're here, let's just check the beer. Just to check. Alrighty, I'll get one of these and one of these. If you insist, Bernice. This time I'm going. Bye. Yay, beer.